Good morning and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Wynn Encore in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are in suite 5318, so we're on the 53rd floor. And all the suites here are very, very similar unless you pay for like a much, much nicer suite, but the Encore is an all suite room. This particular unit does have a connecting door to the adjacent room. It's really well appointed. 2 robes, 2 pairs of slippers, really nice amenities, separate toilet room. The only thing that, if I could wave a magic wand, would be different is that they had a mini fridge in addition to or instead of the mini bar, because it's one that is completely stocked, and the minute you touch something you pay for it, and there's no room to put any of your own items. You can pay a $25 fee to have everything removed and then put back after your stay if you want to use it that way. But it is really spacious, really comfortable, and very nice. They have free parking if it's self-park. And of course, on the Wynn property, it's the only one that has its own golf course that's on the strip, and the shopping is amazing. And the selection of restaurants and shops are super nice and very, very convenient. The TV also spins around so you can watch it from the living room area. The other side is for personal storage. The desk is nice because you can use it from either side and have whatever view you want. And all the lights and drapes and everything are on the touch pads around the room or manual, so that's kind of nice. This particular suite has a really nice view of the strip, the golf course, and even the mountains. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Please subscribe, especially if you felt like you got any benefit from this video and it was helpful with your travel plans. And feel free to leave questions or comments. And thanks for watching.